how to set the screen recording selfie video size to smaller or larger size on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on advanced features. Then scroll down and tap on screenshots and screen recordings. In here, scroll down to the bottom. In the selfie video size, you can drag on the slider bar at the bottom here to decrease the selfie video size or to increase it. So here we have increased it to a larger size. If I start my recording, so I'll go down and I'll look for the video recordings. So I need to add it into here. Okay, so here we swipe down, now swipe this down and then tap on screen recorder. And here I'll start recording. Okay, so if I open up my selfie, here is my selfie. So this size here, the size of this selfie camera can be changed to make it larger or smaller. So here if we go in and make it smaller, so settings, advanced features I mean, and then we go down and tap on screen recordings, and here we go down to screen recordings and we'll make it smaller. And this time if I start my screen recorder, you can see the size of the selfie window here is smaller. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.